This simple homegrown yard bean recipe is so addictive. I am making stir-fry yard beans with pineapple today. Hello, my name is Melanie, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future weekly videos. So I just washed my beans and I'm just gonna tip the top off where all these little brown part here. And I'll just cut about an inch thick or an inch long. I have here a quarter of a pineapple. I usually have a pineapple, cut them up and then freeze for cooking, and I would just cut them into like small sizes for easy release, and cooked and caramelized. So that's set that aside. I'm also going to use me one nice clove of garlic and give it a whack and remove the shell and just roughly mince it up. I'm gonna release this before I stir fried it and set it aside. I'm going with high heat here in a skillet or a nice pan. Enough to stir around. Add your 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Pop your garlic in there and give it a few stir around to release the aroma. Don't cook it for too long, and it might turn bitter when it turns dark. So put my pineapple in and all the juice and everything, and this is going to be caramelized up. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar, maybe half a teaspoon here, because sometimes pineapple might be a little bit on the sour side. It might be citrusy, and you might want a little sugar to kind of caramelize up. It's gonna be so tasty. It was going for maybe about 5 minutes. When you see the little brown edges there, that's when it's caramelized up, and all the juice should be sort of halfway evaporated. See, it's kind of dry now. I'm going to go ahead and put my yard beans in. So I like it crunchy, so I just stir fried it straight up, but if you like it a little softer, you might want to blanch it a little bit for a few minutes to soften the yard bean, because yard bean might be a little crunchier than the regular green beans. So add me a pinch of salt and maybe another half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of sugar. You can make this a vegetarian by using this veggie seasoning, but I'm not vegetarian, so I'm just gonna use my regular chicken broth here, or chicken powder. About half a teaspoon go in. I'm gonna make this one really quick and crunchy. Just pick these green beans. It cannot be any fresher than this. And it was going for maybe about 3 to 5 minutes max. And the pineapple should be a little bit more brown and caramelized. Go ahead and turn off the heat. And I think that is it. Transfer it onto a plate, or if you have nobody else to share with, you can just eat it out of the pot. Sprinkle in some of these black pepper. And why not add a little bit of fried shallot. And that is it. This is my snack. And usually I would pair this with white steamed rice, but I was munching on this and I didn't share with anybody. It was not enough. It was first pick of the season. Look at that. It's not very greasy. It's just light. It's just so addicted. I mean, I'm addicted. A little sweet, a little sour. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite ways to enjoy yard beans. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Share with someone and hit that thumbs up to let me know. More of stir-fry recipes is in the description box below for you. Subscribe for future weekly Vietnamese, Asian, home cook, gardening, and more. Have a great day and bye-bye.